So the shower door, I don't know if it exploded or it just randomly popped, but this broke off. Tree says she was asleep. One is still intact. I don't know how or why, but this one literally just exploded, and now there's glass all over the tub. There's some kind of popping noise going on. It's just to inform you. I don't know where we go from here, but I've never heard of this happening. I've never seen it happen. There's glass all over the floor. Just showing you this video, homeowner purposes.